Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade blueberry pie. Right here I have 3 pints of blueberries, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a dollop of pure vanilla extract, a 1/4 cup of Crisco sticks, a lemon for a little bit of zest, egg whites for the top of the pie, a pan, and 1/3 of a cup of ice water. Okay, and once you have everything prepped, you're gonna wanna preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to rinse your blueberries off before you do this. Mix all the sugar in with the blueberries. Okay, now that the blueberries and the sugar are mixed together, I'm gonna add some of the lemon for a little bit of zest, a 1/4 cup of Crisco sticks to the 2 cups of flour, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, once you've added the teaspoon of baking powder and the 1/4 cup of Crisco sticks, start mixing the Crisco sticks in with the flour. Add 1 dollop of pure vanilla extract. Okay, once that's all mixed together, gradually add the 1/3 of a cup of ice water. Okay, you can see that the dough is really starting to come together now that I'm towards the end of the 1/3 of a cup of ice water. Okay, so you remember the egg whites? Now it's time to take the egg whites, take a brush, coat it on the top layer of the pie. Okay, now that it's all coated with the egg whites, just gonna drizzle a little bit of sugar on top. Okay, now it goes in the oven for approximately 30 minutes.